Hi everyone, this is Kevin coming to you live from the unboxing zone here at Gitex Shopper 2018. Right now we are going to be unboxing the Canon EOS M50, a very unique mirrorless APS-C camera which in the world of mirrorless cameras right now is all the rage. So let's get into it. So as we get into the box, it's quite a small factor frame, and this camera is going to be used for obviously taking care of all your usual shots that your DSLRs can do. It's as good as a DSLR, but honestly, with a smaller form factor, it will make things much more easier for people who want to get into photography. So let's get into it. And as we open the box, here's the instruction manual. And got a battery charger here. With some leaflets. This is the warranty card. Everyone from Canon Middle East supplies a warranty as well. This is the standard battery pack, which should give you about a day's worth of battery on this. So let's get this open since we need it. So the battery pack, just to give you a heads up, is an LP-E12 battery. So it's 875 milliamps of power, which is good enough for like a day's worth of use. This is the camera body. As you can see, it's quite small. It's as good as a point and shoot, but once you get into it, once I turn it on, I will show you how good it is as well. It's much more than just a point and shoot. We have your cabling here and the power cables as well. And the Canon M50 also comes with a 14-24 kit lens, which we are going to install right now. Okay. Hey. So when you're installing a camera for the first time, always remember to look at your indicators when make sure that the lens will snap on just right. You could damage your lens if you don't do this correctly, but the camera obviously has two indicator points at the side of the lens just to make it more easier for you. And then we already have an SD card installed here, so all we have to do is slot in the battery. Wrong. There you go. And the camera is ready to use now. Now, the camera lens obviously has a lock lens to make sure things stay straight. So all you have to do is snap that button there and turn it around. So the camera's now ready to be used. Another cool thing about the EOS M50 is it's got a angular screen, so you can turn it around, and you can even use it to click photographs as well. It's a touch screen. It's a 24.1 MP camera. And that's about it. So if you want to know more about the EOS M50, you can check out the review at Tech Radar Middle East. Happy shopping!